This is a story of a village in Rajasthan, which will transform into an oasis in the desert. Let us see how this village will use water conservation and natural resource management to become a self-reliant village.
We are very happy to give you the award for Best Planning in INRM for this year. I would request the respected Sarpanch ji to share her experience with everybody present here.
I thank you on the behalf of all the villagers for this award. We have seen a major transformation in planning for our village during the last year. Our village has been facing many problems like shortage of water due to unplanned water harvesting. But now we have planned a drainage system which will provide us enough water. Soil in our village is not fertile, which results in lack of quality and quantity of crop yield. But with enough water, we can have flourishing crops. Due to lack of fodder and water, the livestock is also weak. But now, our livestock will be healthier and can provide more milk.
We also have MG Narega projects in our village. How could your village see so much progress?
With the help of MG Narega Cell, we started a pilot project using satellite-based survey technology called Geographic Information System or GIS. Our friend, Technical Officer Mr. Manohar, can explain this in a better way.
Like Sarpanch ji just said, we have used computer and satellite-based technology, Geographic Information System or GIS. Let's see here. In our Gram Panchayat office, we had set up a computer with internet connection and used free software like Google Earth and Government of India's Bhuvan. We have surveyed the landscape of the village after overlaying the digitized cadastral maps, which led us to produce various thematic outputs. We got land use data, existing water bodies, and MG Narega structures, drainage line data. Then we analyzed the available data. The data for the proposed interventions under MG Narega was then presented in Gram Sabha and approved after discussion. We did a water budget study by calculating the amount of rainwater received, percentage of water that runs off, and percentage of water that is absorbed in soil. The proposed work site was geotagged. A budgetary estimate from design was created so we could bifurcate the cost into labor budget and material budget, which we received from MG Narega, and additional material budget, which we received from Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana.
We also do similar things using dumpy level, but we couldn't see similar benefits.
Using dumpy level is the traditional way of working and is vastly used, but it takes a lot many months to collect all the data. Whereas by using GIS, we can do it in a few weeks.
Then there must be chances of error.
As this was a pilot project, we did ground truthing and found a variation of less than 5%. Hence, this technology is truly reliable. Here, we see one of the projects under that plan. We identified a water drainage line where most of the rainwater used to run off without providing sufficient water to the fields. Using GIS technology, we did a satellite survey of this channel so we could create cross-section and L-section of the channel in few minutes. We also made a virtual model of the proposed structure and designed water distribution channels accordingly. Then we could suggest a proper site through site suitability analysis to create check dam so that maximum number of field could be irrigated in an efficient and cost-effective manner. With all the available information, we could easily create the Yearly Detailed Project Report or DPR, which gives us the scope of the works its design estimates, and duration of the project.
How can we implement this in our village?
This technology can be easily implemented with the help of your block MG Narega office and a computer with internet connection, which is already available in most of the panchayats. You would be very happy to know that under MG Narega scheme, Government of Rajasthan is implementing this GIS planning system in one block each of Chittorgarh and Bhilwara district.
My experience with GIS based planning is very good, and I would like to ask all of you to try and implement this technology in your zones and villages too, so that we can share the common goal of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas and Digital India.